Okay, so I'm getting ready to go out. I just had lasagna for dinner, so that'll be good because my body will have to work harder to break that down, so it'll keep me warmer for longer. Okay, so I've got my herbal decaffeinated tea before I go out. And over here, I have all the stuff I'll be bringing out with me. Most of it is dark, as you'll notice, because the dark will absorb the light and re-radiate any light as infrared light. So we've got my pillow with the dark pillowcase and my gloves, which are polypropylene, which just in case are waterproof and also good wickers. And here I have my cotton t-shirt, which should be okay because I'll be in my car, so I don't think I will be getting wet. And then I have my wool sweater here, which is a good wicker. And the rest of the stuff over here is polyester. I have a sweatshirt, sweatpants, and a jacket. And those will all be good because they are just as good as wickers as wool is. And it will trap a thin layer of air, so that will keep the cold out, and they're also waterproof. Okay, so I'm out here, I'm wearing all the stuff I laid out inside. I forgot to mention I'm also wearing this hat that is mostly polyester but also a little bit of wool, so that will help keep me warm through the night. And I also brought out this blanket that is wool, so that'll also help. I forgot to mention that inside. And I also brought out a water bottle and also a Gatorade that I'm keeping close to my body so that they'll warm up and I'll be able to drink them, and since we weren't able to bring out anything that's already warm. And I also brought out some food. I have a muffin that's heavy and won't be easy to digest, so my body will work harder and produce more heat for me. And I also brought out 2 protein bars, so those will be good for me. And yeah, so far so good. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so it's about 7:30 a.m. right now, and my night was okay. The water and Gatorade worked pretty well for me. Those warmed up, and I was able to drink them, and they kept me warm. And the wool blanket did get a little itchy, but it was okay because I also got pretty cold, so I had to go inside and get another blanket, this blanket, and that blanket is made of polyester. So that was able to keep me warm by creating a thin layer of air and keeping all the cold air out. And that also, since it kept the wool away from my skin, I was not getting itchy anymore while still getting the warmth from the wool. So that was good. And so yeah, overall it wasn't too bad. I mean, I was in a car, so obviously I wasn't that comfortable, but it was all right. And yeah.